Hello and welcome. My name is Mark. Today I will show you how to get a job. First of all, go to link in the description down below and type in search bar the job that you are looking for. For example, type in search jobs in New York or somewhere. As you can see, after search we found many real jobs that you can apply for. Jobs available on this search box above. You can find any job near you or anywhere. For example, type on search box engineer or any job. As you can see on this search, there are many daily real jobs that you can apply for and get chance. Thanks for watching.